Hey everyone, and welcome back to Handiworks. Today I want to share a very special project with you, a beautiful sunflower embroidery on black linen fabric. This one has been a labor of love, and I can't wait to tell you about the journey it took to finish it. First, I transferred the pattern onto my fabric using white carbon paper. This is a great method for dark fabrics. I just placed the pattern on top of the carbon paper, pinned it to the fabric, and then traced all the lines with my pen. See how clearly the pattern appears on the dark linen? Okay, the pattern is transferred and my fabric is in a 10-inch oval hoop, nice and taut. This stitch is easy and creates a beautiful linked line that's perfect for this kind. I'm taking my bright yellow floss, separating it into 4 strands and threading my needle. I've also fixed my hoop onto my hoop stand, which is a great tip for you guys at home. It helps keep the fabric still so you get a clear video and a stable, comfortable stitching experience. Now, as I reach the point where the color of the dress changes to brown, I'm going to change my floss color to beige to match. This makes the petals pop off the fabric. Once a petal is stitched, I remove the pen straw and secure the thread at the back. This was a long project. It took me about 2 months to complete, but it was also one of the most relaxing and rewarding experiences I've had. Remember, embroidery is about the journey, not just the destination. But I didn't work on it every day. I just stitched whenever I had a chance, and that's the best way to do it. Just take your time and relax. Remember to secure your thread at the back after each petal to make sure your stitches are neat and don't unravel. This will tie the whole look together and make the dress feel complete and thoughtfully designed. I carried this hoop with me whenever I had a chance to relax and stitch, whether I was traveling or just sitting at home. After finishing 5 petals, I'm trying a different stitch for the next one, the fishbone stitch. This one is a bit flatter, and it adds a nice variation in texture. Then I changed my yellow floss to a slightly darker shade. This subtle shading gives the petals more depth and a more natural look. After about a week, I had a good number of petals done, so I moved on to the leaves. I'm filling the leaf shape with satin stitch, which creates a smooth, solid surface. Find your rhythm and focus on the simple motion of the needle. Don't worry about being perfect. Just enjoy the process of creating something with your own hands. Hand embroidery is a wonderful way to practice mindfulness and keep calm. You know, it's about the third week now, and I have to be honest, I got a bit sidetracked and worked on a few other projects. I almost forgot about this one, but I'm so glad I came back to it. It's a great reminder that it's okay to take breaks and come back to your creative work with fresh eyes. Now I'm moving on to some leaves. To add more natural shading, I'm switching to a darker green floss to fill in some areas. It's almost been a month now and 2 of my sunflowers are complete. I'm so happy with the progress. Now it's time to fill the center of the flowers. I'm starting with a rich brown floss for the outer ring. First, I'm stitching a line of backstitch and then I'm weaving through it with a detached buttonhole stitch. For the weaving, a tapestry needle with a blunt point is a lifesaver as it won't split the threads. The detached buttonhole stitch creates a beautiful, intricate texture that adds amazing dimension. This creates a beautiful textured ring. Next, I'm switching to a lighter shade of brown for the inner ring, and I'm filling it with tiny French knots. It's almost been 5 weeks now, and I'm loving every minute of it. I recently had a chance to hike to a beautiful spot near my home. Watching the mountain view while stitching was so relaxing. It reminds me that I'm always happy when I can enjoy nature and create something at the same time. I find that life is so much more fulfilling with these flowers. They've given me a new sense of confidence, the confidence to complete a creative art project, no matter how long it takes. It's a beautiful feeling. Back to our flower centers. I've changed to a darker brown for the middle and black for the very center. I'm finally finishing the last details, and it's been about 2 months since I started. But I didn't work on it every day. I just stitched whenever I had a chance, and that's the best way to do it. Just take your time and relax. Remember, take your time, relax, and add a little something beautiful to your life. And here it is, the finished embroidery. I'm so happy and confident about this project, and I hope you can do this one, or something even better than me. Just look at these gorgeous sunflowers. The colors are so vibrant against the black fabric, and the textures we've created make them feel so real.